So before we move into our continuous and our running sutures, we're going to do one more, and this is called the vertical mattress. This is good for deep wounds, and similar to the horizontal, but vertical. That might not make sense right away, but in my head, it does, and you'll see why. So our first bite is far, and it comes deep, and comes out far on the other side, deep as well. Then once again on the same side we enter again, and this time shallow or superficial, and then come out on the other side, superficial, closer and superficial. So that's how it's kind of similar to the horizontal, where you're going to one side, going back in on that same side. You start that same side and then going back to the starting side. So our first one, wide and deep. Might have gone too deep. Then we come in again and go wide and deep. And the dots got erased, but we know where we're going. We reverse our grip once again and enter closer and exit superficial. And back to the starting side, superficial and close. And we make our knot here. There we go. Not the best, but I'll do another one. So this one is hard to get a good view, but hopefully we can do a better one than we did with the buried. I really like the feel of this, but it's not easy to grab onto. So we enter wide and deep. Then come to the other side, deep and exit wide. We reverse our grip and do it again, but shallow. So close and superficial. And shallow and superficial once again. And we tie our knot. There we go. It's a nice knot. vertical mattress.